Hi, it's Audrey here from 1824 Walker Farmhouse. Welcome to my kitchen table, and this is in the house at where we live. Today I'm going to make old-fashioned cast iron skillet I call the Mile High Biscuits. Dave and I are empty nesters, so sometimes I just like making a small batch. This is my 7-inch cast iron skillet. I'll share the recipe in the description. I just want you to see how I make them. First I add all the dry ingredients together, just stirring them well. And then after that I cut the butter. It's real cold butter. It's not frozen, but it's real cold. I cut it into small pieces. And the trick to making biscuits or pie dough, I believe, is keeping everything cold. Trying to go quickly, smaller pieces, so you don't have to be using your pastry blender as long. So I just put those in there. Whoops. Next I take my pastry blender and I just blend that butter in there just like I would pie dough. You just cut it in there, move your pastry blender until you have it blended really well until there's small pieces of butter. I try to go as quickly as I can when I'm doing this. When I'm doing this, I add in buttermilk. I bought this buttermilk at a local farm. It is so thick. It is way thicker than the buttermilk that I buy in a grocery store. So I think the buttermilk makes a difference. If you don't have buttermilk, put in 1 to 2 tablespoons of vinegar in whole milk, and that'll sour it, and it makes a difference in how flaky that they come out. And then you just stir it until it really starts forming together. Again, I try to work fast just to keep the dough cold. I try to keep everything floured while I'm working with it. My surface floured, my rolling pin so it doesn't stick. I put it together, the dough, just knead it 1 or 2 times. Then I'm going to roll it into a circle. I always like to keep all my surfaces floured so that it's just easier to work with. And then this is the trick coming up to make them really high and make them flaky. When you're done rolling it, you're going to flour your knife. That just helps to cut it. And you're going to cut it into 4s. I'm going to stack them on top, stack them on top. I try to get rid of some of the edges because they are going in a round pan. Then you're going to roll it out again. I have my cast iron skillet already buttered. I use real butter. I also bought that from a local farm. Really makes a difference in the fat content, but if you can buy butter at the store, it's better than Crisco in the biscuits. So I have my skillet all ready. I'm turning it over, rolling it. You can see the layers. I'm going to cut it again. And then we're going to roll it out again. I've made these so many times. You can also double the recipe. It's like a no-fail recipe. It just seems like it always works. I like all kinds of biscuits, but I think these just really, they come out real high. They're real flaky, very tasty. They're Dave's favorite. And since I'm putting them in the skillet, that's why I sort of pat it to make it a circle. And then you're going to put them in your skillet. It's pre-greased with butter, like I said. Then we're going to bake them. I took some beef stew out of the freezer, so we have beef stew over these tonight. Then I buttered the top of them before I put them in the oven. And this is what they look like when they come out. Aren't they high? They're beautiful. You can see they're real flaky. And then the other day I had made some blueberry lemon jam. So for breakfast the next day, we just had that on biscuits. Thanks so much for visiting us here at the farm today. We would love if you would subscribe to our channel, and we hope to see you real soon.